As we drive through this breathtaking wind energy corridor, we witness Tamil Nadu's remarkable journey toward clean and sustainable power. Tamil Nadu remains a leader in wind energy with an installed capacity of 10,603 megawatts as of March 2024. Since 2023 to 24, it ranked third in India, adding 586 megawatts, following Gujarat and Karnataka. What makes Tamil Nadu ideal for wind power? Strong, consistent winds channeled through four major wind corridors: Aralvaimozhi, Shencottah, Palghat, and Cumbum Passes. These natural gaps in the Western Ghats accelerate wind speeds through the tunnel effect, making them prime locations for wind farms. Now Tamil Nadu is modernizing its wind energy sector. In September 2024, the state introduced the Tamil Nadu Repowering, Refurbishment and Life Extension Policy 2024 to upgrade aging turbines and maximize energy production through repowering, replacing older turbines with more efficient models, refurbishment, upgrading gearboxes, blades and generators, life extension, extending turbine lifespan beyond 20 years for improved efficiency. To encourage modernization, the government offers incentives like annual banking arrangements, storing excess wind energy, wind-solar hybrid projects, converting wind farms into hybrid solutions, financial support, loans from PFC, RIC and IREDA, exemption from open access charges up to 1.5 years. Despite its vast wind potential, Tamil Nadu faces land scarcity issues, particularly in southern and western districts, delaying expansion. However, with strategic policies and better planning, the state is strengthening its position as India's renewable energy powerhouse. Seeing these massive wind turbines in action is truly inspiring. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more content on sustainable energy and travel, like, share and subscribe.